What if the only thing standing between your idea and a finished video was the tool you were using all along? Because right now, people with zero crew, zero editing skills, and zero crazy budget are turning raw ideas into polished videos in minutes. Imagine you have spent hours trying to figure out how to turn your idea into an actual video. You have the image, you have the story, but the moment you hit record or open an editing timeline, the whole thing falls apart. The budget is not there, the crew is not there, the skills feel like they are 2 years of learning away, and the idea just dies on your desktop like it always does. Not anymore. Vidu Q3 just changed what a solo creator can do. You give it a single image, add a description, and it builds you a cinematic video around that. Not a loop, not a slideshow, an actual scene with camera movement, transitions, audio, the whole thing. Let's dive in. Let me show you exactly how this works. I log into Vidu.com, go to Features, then Reference to Video, and select Vidu Q3. That part matters. Make sure you are on Q3, not Q2. Here is the showcase I built. I took one image, a lone hiker standing at the edge of a dark forest, fog low on the ground, trees disappearing into black. Classic horror drama setup. I wrote a short prompt describing the mood, something about the forest closing in, a branch snapping, and shadows moving where they should not. Hit generate. What came back was a 16-second scene that felt like the opening of a thriller. With audio layered in, it genuinely gave me chills. One image, one prompt, that is it. Now here's why Q3 specifically matters, because Q2 was good, but Q3 is a different conversation. Q3 supports up to 16 seconds with both visuals and audio built in. The frame consistency is way better, far less distortion, no broken frames mid-clip. Camera movement feels intentional, not random, and scene transitions are smooth like actual cut editing. It is built for narrative storytelling, not just generation. Look at this Netflix-worthy drama I just made in Vidu.
You don't love me anymore. It's all my fault. Let me go.
And guys, Q3 is a major upgrade over Q2 specifically regarding special effects, sound effects, and environmental schemes. Just look at these comparisons. It's a major step forward for sure. The workflow is intentionally fast. You are not spending 20 minutes on settings. Drop your reference image, or up to 7 if you want to build something more layered, write your description, and let it run. Input, generation, output. Done.
No, I'm paying this time. You always do.
But this is our first date.
But I insisted on this place.
And I'm still paying. End of discussion.
You are never around, never helping.
I tried it with an anime-style frame too. 2 characters are falling in love. Q3 turned it into a proper sequence like a professional movie. Compared to other AI video tools doing random motion, this feels structured. It feels like a story. This is not AI video generation anymore. This is AI filmmaking. You are giving it a visual anchor and letting it build an emotional sequence around that anchor. That shift matters for creators. Go to Vidu.com, log in, Features, Reference to Video, Vidu Q3. My invite link is in the description, and if you sign up through it, you get extra credits to run more clips and push your ideas further. Drop a comment below telling me what kind of story you would build from a single image. I want to see what you come up with. And if you are into this kind of AI creative workflow, subscribe and hit the bell because there is a lot more coming.